walk in the nature is always the beauty. So although I am right in the middle of town, but still it's very beautiful. Tree lines on both sides, on that side as well, and of course this side as well. Even best scene would be in autumn, when all these leaves will be yellow or red, and of course whenever there is snowing. We don't have a snowfall for quite a few years now. Oh, that's beautiful little house sparrow, if you can see it. So let's start the walk again. Oh, there are quite a few. Many birds around. We've got many rabbits here as well. Sometime when we're driving early morning or night time, and if you crush one, you feel sad. That ruins your day, but sometimes that happens, you cannot avoid. Or pigeons sometimes. I was in Scotland a few months back when car in front ran over a deer, and that driver was really sad as well. So these are walking and cycling track. All these roads have very safe to ride a bike here.